This is the kit I took on a recent fast packing trip. So starting off with a complete set of running gear, including trail shoes, a 20-litre rucksack with waterproof liner, sun hat, sunglasses, micro towel for cleaning myself off, a complete change of running kit, fleece shirt, gloves, balaclava, wind shirt, waterproof jacket, it's just a basic trekking jacket, and wind pants, map and compass, first aid kit, head torch, spare batteries, sun cream, toilet paper, and I've also got a personal location beacon in there, but that's just because I wouldn't buy it specifically for the trip. GoPro with a cable, and I can actually charge my GoPro off my phone. Credit card or debit card, car key, watch, Sawyer Mini water filter, 2 water bottles, some food, a thermarest, a sleeping bag and a silk liner, and a tent with some tent poles. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and click the bell notification to stay up to date.